Starting at 15 instead of 25 doesn't just give you a head start, it gives you a completely different destination. And I'm going to prove it to you with just $5 a day. That's one coffee, one snack run, one impulse buy at the checkout counter. Let me introduce you to two people. Meet Jake. He starts investing $5 a day at age 15. And meet Tyler. He waits until he's 25 to do the exact same thing. Same amount of money, same investment strategy. The only difference is one tiny thing: time. And that one difference changes everything. Let's do the actual math. No tricks, no gimmicks, just the relentless power of compound interest. $5 a day is $150 a month. We'll say they both invest that into a simple S&P 500 index fund, which has historically averaged about a 10% annual return. So Jake starts at 15. He puts in his $5 a day every day. By the time he's ready to retire at 65, his account has grown to $2.6 million. Let that sink in. Over $2.5 million from the price of a daily snack. Now let's look at Tyler. He has the same discipline, the same $5 a day habit, but he started at 25. By age 65, Tyler has a little under $1 million, $948,000 to be exact. That's still a life-changing amount of money, of course, but it's $1.65 million less than Jake. Here's the wildest part. Over that 10-year head start, Jake only contributed $18,000 more of his own money than Tyler. $18,000. That extra $18,000, because it was invested early, turned into an extra $1.65 million. That's not luck. That's not some hidden Wall Street talent. That is simply the power of starting early. I know what you might be thinking. I'm just a student. I don't even have a real job yet. But here's the thing nobody tells you. You don't need a salary to start building wealth. You need $5. You need a vision for what that $5 can become. When I was 15, I thought investing was for adults in suits, for people who already had money. I wish someone had sat me down and explained this gap, because this gap, the one between Jake and Tyler, you can never get it back. Time is the one asset you cannot earn more of. Not with a raise, not with a bonus. So how do you actually do it? If you're a teen in the US, it's surprisingly simple. 3 steps. Step 1, open a custodial brokerage account with a parent or guardian. Companies like Fidelity, Schwab, and Vanguard offer them for free. If you're 18, you can just open your own in about 10 minutes. Step 2, set up an automatic investment into an S&P 500 index fund. Look up ticker symbols like VOO or FXAIX. Pick one. You set it, and then you forget it. Let it grow. And that brings us to step 3, the most important one. Don't touch it. Not for sneakers, not for a car, not for anything. You have to let it compound. That's it. No complicated stock picking, no crypto gambling, just boring, beautiful, powerful compound interest. Most people will hear this and do nothing. They'll say, "That's cool," and move on. Don't be that person. If you're between 15 and 25 right now, you have a superpower that no billionaire can buy: time. So here's the question for you. Would you start with $5 a day? If you have a younger brother, sister, or friend, share this with them. That one conversation could literally change their entire financial future.